This eLearning, we're going to show you how to set up the billing options for customers in the customer management form. First, you highlight and select the particular customer, and then you click on the billing options, which presents to you in a show dialog box, this frame that pops up in the middle of the screen. And here we're going to say that this customer prefers to receive bill on paper, not paperless, and he doesn't want to see discounts showing on the invoices. As far as the payment preference, he likes to pay with check, and he is for now set up to a limit of $5,000. The only thing that you have to be careful is that each frame in this case has its own save button. It's not a general, so you have to click on each one of the save buttons to save the particular information regarding that frame. And the billing option is always on an individual customer basis. Every time you create a new customer, the program is going to have its default billing settings. And this is what we're going to show you when you add a new customer, what the default settings should be for the billing options. On the very first level tabs of this window, you use the right click of the mouse to show the menu. So when you use the right click, menu pops up. Please go to the main menu. When you go to the main menu, next you go to tools, and then we go to options, and we're going to open the tools and options for WISE option in a new tab. Here it is, my WISE option settings. And you're going to click on the tab for default values. It's the very last tab in this example. As you can see, it's exactly the same frame. And I'm going to say that our default is this, and not set. When I click OK, these settings will be saved in the program, and every time I add a new customer into WISE option, it will allow that new customer to get auto set with the standard default settings I'm putting here through the settings in WISE option. So today you've learned how to use the billing options, how to consume the billing options on an individual basis, as well as how to set up the default settings for new customer accounts in WISE option. Thanks for watching.